What's going on, guys? Drones and Dogs here. Welcome back to the channel. You see what it is, man. DJI Phantom 3 Standard Edition. We finna get it rocking and rolling. It's pretty breezy out. High wind test flight, man. We finna see what the bad boy do up against a bit of breeze. So you guys go ahead and strap in your seatbelts. Hold tight for a second. Let me get this bad boy booted up to go. And let's get it. DJI Phantom. We got them ready to go, man. Finna take off with the Phantom real quick. Let me see. Hold on, what's going on here? Alright, yes. So let's slide the lane. Let's stop the motors real quick. I want to stop the motors because I want to do a screen recording real quick. See if we can do a screen recording. I'm running out of battery, y'all. It won't let me get down to my screen recording. Skip it. We just gonna start filming from the drone. All right. So we should be filming to the SD card. Let's just go ahead and just take off with the bad boy. Taking off. I agree, yes. And it's windy, y'all. Look at that. I'm not touching nothing. That's all it. Let me lift him up a little bit so he don't hit the ground. But it's breezy, my knees. So we got GPS hold. Let's see how many we got. We got 11 satellites here. Old P3 standard. Check him out. Oh yeah. Since we're losing our battery life, let's just go ahead and take him out. It's kind of windy out here. See a little dude on a motorbike over there. See what he's going to do. It's windy too, y'all. We should be alright though. We should be alright. P3 out. Got a car coming. Out there. Ooh, we out there 500 feet. $600 feet. 700 feet. 800 feet. 900 feet with the P3, man. So we out there, and it's a big white dot in the sky, y'all. Check him out. Look, I can see the tracks, everything out there. So we're gonna fly back manually. Look at that. Scenery is beautiful. Let's fly back. Let's come on back. We don't need no return to home. I can still see the drone out there. So that's a good thing about having this big old drone like this. Flying all manual. It's windy, y'all. He coming back fast. Where you going? Where you going? Here I am. There you go. Come to me. Oh, P3, y'all. There he is. Y'all see him? Y'all see him? Check him out. High wind test. Look at the trees over here, y'all. Nice. See me down there? Nice. P3. Flying us considerably about the wind, y'all. I know y'all hear this wind. Cornfield looking nice. around. I love this drone. It's so big. Even in this big old field, I can see it all day. Especially on a clear sky day like today. We already got like 75% battery life. This thing is cruising. It's bringing it back around. Panning around, getting a nice shot coming around. And here we come, y'all. Here I go. This big old drone flying in this big old area is still kind of like flying in a park. It's breezy. Man, you can see the crop. Look how the crops is breathing, blowing. Holding this position. Look, let go of the sticks. Holding. It's holding. Holding over there. You see the tree behind it. Go ahead and stop filming. Alright, I'll stop filming. You guys can see the drone. Ha ha! Gimbal look a little crooked to y'all. My gimbal looks a little off to y'all. Does my gimbal look a little off to y'all? A little crooked to me. Anyways, the P3, man. Out for a quick, I might have to do a calibration, another gimbal calibration. That's a little bit off a little bit. But that's the P3, y'all. You guys make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Deuces.